Welcome to LearnWire, and in this video we will be doing a TrueRanker review. So we're going to be testing out the software and seeing how well it goes out and actually looks for our keywords and tells us what our site is ranking for. And there's some other cool features as well, but this is your step up to your SEO strategy by finding and tracking the most relevant keywords for your site. And they have some alternatives to SE ranking and ProRank tracker. Let's see right here, you can discover and track relevant keywords to improve SEO visibility and traffic and so forth. Let's go ahead and scroll through. You can look through all of this. I just want to go check out the pricing real quick. You get lifetime access. All the plans come with lifetime access to TrueRanker, all future business plan updates. No codes, no stacking, just choose the plan that's right for you. You must activate your license, blah, blah, blah. Okay. So what it does is automatic daily updates, unlimited rank history, app and web access, competition data, WordPress plugin, domain keywords research. I don't know what this is. Cannibalization detector. That's interesting. I've never heard cannibalization in the SEO world, so that's interesting. Kind of funny, actually. Google search data and Google Chrome extensions, SEO tracking. So you have license tier 1, 2, and 3. Depends on if you have 500 keywords tracked daily, then you need the $59 plan. And I don't know what the SEO content analysis is. We'll have to go and check and see what that is. And you can have up to 3 competitors per project on this entry plan. And if you want to basically quadruple the amount of keywords, then you basically pay double and you get, quadrupled. So then you get more SEO analysis and more competitors and so forth. So their big plan is tier 3, and you can track up to 5,000 keywords. So it's got almost 5 stars, 13 reviews. Let's go jump in real quick. Now here's the site. I wanted to go and check out, I'm actually logging into the account for the first time in this review. We want to see I want to show you what it's like when you sign up. That might be helpful to you guys. But first, let's go check out what their standard pricing and plans are going to be after their lifetime deal is over on Appsumo, and what they're offering to people that are not coming from. Now, this is live right now, so there are people that are paying these prices. So you can go annual. I like to look at the monthly. So monthly, their business plan is $24 per month, and the advanced is $50 per month. And then you can get this advanced for beginners, just $10 a month. And you can, track 100 keywords. So 100 words. Let's go back over to Appsumo and look. So you can track up to 500 keywords. And so you would never have to pay again. Up to 500 keywords is going to put you into right over here, 500 words. So you're getting basically $25 a month. You're getting this plan right here. You only have to pay one time. So that's the huge advantage. So they're giving you a really, really generous deal, according to their pricing and everything. So let's go jump in. So we're right here inside the app. I'm going to track a single domain, enter the URL project. I don't know if I need to put the URL string, but I'm going to go ahead and do it. I'm going to go https://realisticpay.com, enter the main country that we are in, and let's go right down in here. There's United Kingdom. I am not seeing United States. There's United States. Okay. Didn't see it in the drop down. I don't know. There we go. Okay, so we're ready to go. Looks like they have a Chrome extension and other tools. Create project. Add keywords to your project. Okay, so add to desktop, add all, and add all keywords. So I don't have the keywords, so I'm going to have to it looks like I'm going to have to paste these in. Let's see what you do. Add all. Nope. Add to desktop. Okay, so I'm not seeing where I'm trying to type in. Nope. And I'm trying to push this button over here, and I'm not seeing where to use that. So I'm going to push pause, figure this part out, and also probably have to come out and go get some keywords. So I'll be right back. Okay, so what I did was I just clicked off of that page. It wasn't letting me do anything, so I just clicked off that page, and then we're taken to the dashboard here. So here's the dashboard, and then you have your menu item on the left, everything you need to do on the left side. So that's cool. It has your site up here connected. You could have multiple sites and so forth. So saying I can have 5 keywords, in the 14-day trial. So I'm going to go ahead and push this, looks like right here, add keywords. And I'm going to throw in one of my keywords right there. And let's see, nope, where do you want to track your keyword? United States. And let's go get another one. So I'm actually using Ubersuggest to track my keywords right now. Let's see right here. So here's one, I'm in position 12. So let's go with get paid to watch TikTok. And we'll add in 3 keywords for now. Okay, so we added 3 keywords. I'm going to just add the keywords left. It's saying we have 2 more that we can add. I'm going to just go with the 3 for now. It's going to go out and we will see. So it's going to go out there and do some, it's got to go out, and that's how you set up your keywords, right? But it's going to go out and it has to, search the database. TrueRanker has started collecting data for your keywords. Soon you will be able to see their distribution and evolution in this chart. Please be patient. Thanks so much for using TrueRanker. So it's going to take, I would say it's going to take 6 hours to, anywhere from 6 to 24 hours in order for this to update. And then it'll update every single day. So we have those. I just wanted to see some other stuff. So maybe the keyword suggestions, get keyword suggestions from platforms right here. Okay. So it has already gone out and ran analysis and found our keywords, and it's only been about 60 seconds. So that's really, really cool. It did go out and find pros and cons of owning a laundromat. Says it's in position 19 right now. It gives us the link right here. I'm going to go over to Ubersuggest. So it says it's ranked number 19. I want to see. I'm going to come back up here to dashboard and go and check that one out again for keywords. Owning a laundromat, pros and cons. I'm ranked 19 there. And then right here, pros and cons, I'm ranked 22. Okay, so it's close. Ubersuggest saying I'm ranked 22. This one pulled live, so this one's probably more accurate and pulled a 19. And get paid to watch TikTok, it says 11. I'm ranked 11 for that one. Get paid to watch TikTok, I'm ranked 12 right here on Ubersuggest. Okay, so it's relatively close to another tool, so that's good to know. And what is this right here? So related searches, we click that. It's going to go out and find some other keywords that we could add and track as well. So get paid to watch TikTok, Upwork, get paid to watch TikTok videos app, get paid to use sounds on TikTok, and so forth. So there's other suggestions, and you can just push the plus button and add that to your keyword list and start tracking it if you want. So that's a good way to find more keywords that you might be able to rank for, or that you might currently be ranking for. So that's great. I don't know what this snippets thing is. Let's see, featured snippet. So let's just look at that and see what that says. So you have SEO content analysis. We can look through here, and here we go. Ranked number 11 right here. We can analyze our page, and let's see what ends up happening with this if we analyze the page. So it's saying we have a 46%, and I don't know what that means, but let's just analyze a couple more. Oh, we've reached our maximum of daily analysis. Okay, thanks. We're going to come over here. I mean, it would be nice if you could just give me a couple extra, it's just crazy. But I'm going to go ahead and click this and see what it does. So it takes us into this page here. Realistic pay, how to make money on TikTok by watching videos. And it's giving us a 46 out of 100. So our SEO is not good. So we need to improve. So does the site use encrypted in connection? Blah, blah, blah. The size of the page. You should consider some optimization of the page to decrease its size. So the page is too big is what it's saying. Meta tags, issues, HTML headers. There are multiple H1 headers on the site. You should use only one main header on the site. So I have to go and check that out. Apparently there's 2 H1s. Phrases with one word. You should consider adding your keyword to the site content. So apparently it's saying that I don't actually have that, which is interesting. Let's see, how to make money on TikTok by watching videos. I could go and compare that and see if it's actually accurate, because I'm pretty sure I SEO optimized this page. Phrases with 4 words. So it has, it's pulling all these different keywords. Alternate text for images, and the size of the URL is big. and so forth. So does the site use a sitemap file? Yes. Okay. So, it's giving us a grade. And we could go out and try to fix some of these things that are not green and then go back and analyze it again. You could also download this PDF. Let's see what that looks like. Because you could use this tool to actually do some SEO analysis on some sites, right? And go out and tell them, hey, here's what's going on. And check this out, SEO Analyzer. And we could say that this page right here, and you could do it for a home page too, but it's a 46 out of 100. So it's got a lot of work to do. And it's going to just give us all of the different things. Now it's color coded. Green is good. Yellow is, a concern. Red is definitely needs fixed, and so forth, right? So we can come through here. It actually pulls the description, the meta description, and the title. Goes over the H1, H2 tags, the ratio of the page content. 25 page has good content to code ratio. And here's all those keywords, which is good. So it's good that there's no keyword stuffing going on here, right? Over optimization of keywords and so forth. So you can find all these keywords it's given us, and it's pulling, and so forth. So it gives us that whole thing. So that's really cool. You could actually use that if you wanted to provide this as a service to people. So I like that. I like the report looks really, really good, really clean. I'm going to go back to projects and see if there's anything else that I need to show you. So really, you've got your projects over here. Our average rank, it's saying, is 44. We have 3 keywords we're tracking. Do we have any in the top 3? No. And so when you want to look at your project, you just left click on it and it's going to open up your project. So then you can come through here. So it really is doing just a good job of just tracking your keywords. Gives you a really good, solid place to just look at where your keywords are. I like that you could go straight to the page. This one, it didn't pull up. How to earn money on Facebook. And let's go look at Uber Suggest. Let's see where we at over here. I thought that the one that that keyword, how to earn money on Facebook, 500 every day. 500 every day. I just wanted to go see. I thought I was ranking for this keyword. Let's go through here and look right here. Nope. All right. So maybe that it is right. And I'm not ranking for that one. So that it seems like it's very accurate. That's awesome. So you have to upgrade your plan. Obviously, you guys will get to see all this, the search volume, the cost per click, and this is the estimated visits per month for your current position based on search volume. So this is a really good, clean interface right here. This is where you're going to be spending the most of your time. I do like that. What is this? Connect your project with Google Search Console and get more keywords for your project. That's awesome. You can export this to a CSV file. Batch actions, you can add tags, visibility index, but the keyword suggestions is going to be something that, after it runs, we have not found any keywords yet, but that's going to be really cool. It should be able to give you more keywords that you can go for once you're using the tool longer and have more keywords you're tracking. You should be able to go in here and use the keyword suggestions, and it's going to give you even more ideas to create content, more keywords to go for. I also like the related keywords, like right here. If I click this related keywords, never buy a laundromat, owning a laundromat salary. So it gives you some other good keywords to either include in your content, create new content for, or to be tracking them to see if you are, like, for example, I'll just add one. It's going to add that one right there. And then I'm going to go over to this one over here and add one as well for fun. And I'm going to click that one as well. So we have our 5, and you can add all 7 of them by clicking that button. If you have the, obviously if you have the lifetime version. So I'm going to go through here. We'll come back to this project one more time. I want to go and click on the competitors. I don't think it's going to let us do anything, but you can monitor the rankings of your competitors. With TrueRanker, you can take control of the rankings for your competitors on the keywords of the project. Choose a competitor or enter the URL of their domain and compare their positions with yours in your list. So I'm going to add one real quick. So one of my competitors is Financial Wolves. I'll go over here and I'm just going to see if it'll let me add one in on this trial version. So I'm going to put that one in right there and plus. So yeah, it's not going to let me because you have to have the paid plan. Okay, so we're going to go back over to the dashboard real quick and we'll check one more thing. We'll check on those keywords, see if it found those keywords yet for us or not. Okay, so it's not saying that we rank for any of those, but super easy to find more keywords, add them. And so I would say that its primary function is exactly what it is trying to do, which is let you know what your current rankings are, right? And keep track of your SEO. But then to add to that, you're able to do keyword suggestions, find more keywords inside of here. You can also track competitors. So overall, this looks like a really good tool to use. I'm going to go back over here and just see some of the reviews. It's got good reviews. People are, this person refunded Nozzle for this. I got Nozzle, but couldn't make any sense of the data it showed. Sure, it was impressive with lots of graphs and colors and stuff, but I'm probably not advanced enough to make head or tails about it. TrueRanker is another story. It tells me the info I need. It gets keyword suggestions from the GSC by itself. Yeah, the Google Search Console. So, and then Kit matches the correct URLs of my domain. It just works and makes sense. Sometimes simpler is better, and this is just the case with TrueRanker. So that's a perfect review. And that's actually what I was noticing about the software as I was going through it as well. So I just wanted to see what the bad review was that brought the score down. Everyone's giving 5 scores, 5 tacos. There's a 4, so there's a 3. So we have a couple 3 here, and this is from about a week ago. Great features, great roadmap, but a few concerns. I really wanted to blah, blah, blah. The LTD limits are generous. They already have some paying customers. They have a working app, almost too good to be true, but I will most likely refund due to multiple typos and spelling errors on their site. The word WordPress was misspelled several times. Let's see right here. I want to check this image out actually, and then I'll go back into the software because they've probably already fixed it, which is part of the beta testing. We have to be, oh goodness, yeah. So look at right here, okay? So it was WordPress right here, okay? But then if we go back into TrueRanker right now, did they fix everything? Let's come through here, and WordPress is fixed, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and click on WordPress. WordPress is fixed. So, you know, that's part of buying these lifetime deals. So I kind of not really sure that this warrants a bad review, because what you should be able to do is reach out to the site owners and just say, hey, great tool. Thank you. You can click over here and you can try to get in touch with them, right? And let them know, hey, you got some misspellings and I like your tool, but here's some things you guys really need to look at and get this fixed. Part of this is that this is a launch. They just launched this. They launched this software with part of buying this lifetime deal is that you're going to be a beta tester, right? You're getting lifetime access to something that's going to cost basically this much per month for normal users. They're going to pay this every single month to use the tool, and you're getting this for $59 and never having to pay again. So you might have a misspelling and you can just let them know about it. So there's a different way of looking at it as well. I do understand from a professional standpoint and everything that, yeah, they do need to have their stuff in order and their words spelled correctly. I do agree with that. But also, we have to realize that they are just launching and they do need the users' feedback from Appsumo. They do need these lifetime deal people to come in here and say, hey, here's what we need to do. So that's my review. I think it was great, very simple, and really good pricing. They're being very generous right here. 500 keywords, that's usually good for any solopreneur if you're just running your own business. If you're going to be an agency or something like that, you might want to get one of these other plans so you can really track a lot of other clients' websites, like right here, this 5,000 keywords, and you can create multiple projects and you could track a lot of keywords. So that's it. If you want to go pick this up, click the link below, go check it out and pick up TrueRanker and get it at a lifetime deal while it's available on Appsumo. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit that like button and make sure to subscribe to LearnWire, because I'm always coming out with new honest reviews for you. And most of my reviews are focused on these lifetime deals from Appsumo. So I'll see you in the next video.